It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. Tell me a story. Tell me a story to brighten my day. Send me a story with the things you want to say. Send me a story down a river or sea. Send me a story to bring you closer to me. Send me a story about traveling so far. Send me a story about just who you are. Send me a story about long, long ago. Send me a story of mountains and snow. Send me a story, whatever the weather. Send me a story, we belong together. Send me a story of all the things that you've seen. Send me a story about tea with the Queen. Send me a story from high up in the clouds. Send me a story from down among the crowds. Send me a story to share late at night. Send me a story where I cuddle you tight. But all of these letters and words that you scroll, it's the story of you that's the best of them all. So write of adventures and journeys you take, and please share with me whatever you make. To start with, you'll need an idea, a place or a thing, something to talk of or even to sing. There should be a start, a middle, and end. It could be about you or maybe a friend. Describe what you see and how it may feel. Make it exciting, but also seem real. It might be in a picture, real life, or a book. Keep your eyes open. You'll just have to look. It might come from the future, the present, or past. But all great ideas are destined to last. The end. And that was Tell Me a Story.